Do you want to know how you can log in to your Netspend Disbursement account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Disbursement account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for Netspend Disbursement account. Now, what you need to do is click on the first link which appears on your screen, and it will open up the Netspend Disbursement login portal. You can see that this is the official login portal of Netspend Disbursement account. Go ahead and write down your user details such as your username, your password, and after you write down the username and password associated with Netspend Disbursement, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Disbursement account. Make sure that you have already registered to this account as well, unless you want to kick out of your account. Now, if you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, go ahead and click remember username, and if you have problems about your username and password, these are the links you want to go through. To activate your card, go ahead and click this link. To register for online access, this is the link for you, and if you want customer service through Netspend Disbursement account, go ahead and click contact us. This was a video on how you can log into your Netspend Disbursement account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.